Assalamualaikum to Supervisor Puan Afifahani bin Muhammad Fazil and Examiner Dr. Kasmaruddin binti Hussein. My name is Nurul Asma binti Fauzi. My metric number is A18A0700. I would like to present the research title, which is the factor that influence in choice of query service among Malaysian citizens. For the abstract, this study are able to identify the variable, which is choice of the query service, and independent variable, which is shipping cost, quality service, and time delivery. Query service is used to make the movement of the parcel document from one location to other location. In this study, also use of the questionnaire and distribute through a Google form by 75 respondents to answer that questionnaire. In this analysis, SPSS analysis. In SPSS analysis, data will analyze based on reliability analysis, descriptive analysis, multiply regression. The analysis will be able to test of the strength of relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. For introduction, the query service is related of the delivery of the parcel, document, and packaging. Query service is used in the movement and make the delivery of the parcel and document. This is for research objective. For the literature review, is related between dependent and independent variable. This poster will show of the conceptual of framework. Dependent variable choice of query service is the related based on the attitude of the customer, find and how they use by experience or anything, and how they satisfied with when they use of the query service. For the independent variable, first shipping cost is the charge which the customer need to pay as the shipping item. For the quality service is the attitude or activity which especially in company do to attract the customer to use of the query service, and the time delivery is related with the period how long the parcel or document will arrive by customer. For the part of methodology, the researcher will focus on the research design, sample size, sampling, data collection method, and the last is analysis data. For the research design, is use of the quantitative method. While for the sample size, the researcher only choose 75 respondents to answer the question. For the sampling method, are use of the non-probability. Data collection method is use of the questionnaire. Analysis data will be interpret analysis. First, reliability analysis. Second, descriptive analysis. 3, correlation analysis, and the last is multiple linear regression. The finding of a multiple linear regression is show the hypothesis of the dependent variable and independent variable. In this case, all of hypothesis is accepted because the significant value is lower than 0.05. From this, the cost, shipping, quality service, and time delivery has been that the factor influence on choice of query service. This entire factor has significant in relationship of the query service among Malaysian citizens. The correlation is the relationship between the dependent which is a choice of query service, and independent variable, which is shipping cost, quality service, and time delivery. The shipping cost and quality service is show of the relationship, which is a moderate positive. It is because the value of R is comparatively close with 0.441 to 0.70. Why time delivery is a small but defined relationship? It is because the value of R is comparatively 0.21 to 0.40. For the conclusion, this study is main purpose to identify the dependent variable, service, and independent variable. This research also find out of the relationship between dependent variable, independent variable, between of the choice of foreign service among Malaysian citizens. Through the data collected, the quality service is a most of the factor influence in choice of query service. The results find out based on the hypothesis analysis, which is hypothesis known HO is rejected, but H1, H2, and H3 is accepted. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.